All right, today we're going to it's called OC Card Show here in Tustin, California. It's actually like 2 miles away from my office. It's from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it is 2 p.m. right now. So let's see if we can get some deals going. What's the best you can do on Dragonite, Venusaur, and Lugia? And
550, 350, 660.
I'm interested in Marshadow Machamp, Venusaur, Lugia, and Dragonite. Maybe the Zard too. The English of that in the 10's like $400 now.
Is it?
Yeah, from the UPC promo. Yeah, it's crazy. Market Dragonite is like $5 to $550.
Yeah, I'm trying to find this one. I know 550.
This is probably like around $100. It's like Japanese is cheap. Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to find. But I know this is 550, 350, like 660, 700.
So this has sales 470 and market's a little bit going down. Like Umbreon's like 2,700 now. This ranges from like there's like literally a 300 sale yesterday.
So what you want to be
3 to 350 is the right range. I'd say realistic value on Venusaur is around 330. Dragonite, because of the range, ideally I'd want to be at like 520 value. And Lugia, I think 670 is fair on Lugia. Yeah, let me double check the Marshadow Machamp. What's your name, by the way?
Daniel.
Daniel? Nice to meet you, man. What are you asking on the Modua? What is it?
4,500 for the full set.
Nice.
I recommend you try to snipe it on ZMG.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I've actually DM'd the guy himself, like the artist. He has some nice sketches. Show the camera these. So there's a guy on Instagram called Modua that sketches these energy cards. And he's actually really good. You just bid, right? You just offered him something?
That's how it works now. Back in the day, you used to just pay a flat price.
What'd you pay for those?
I can't remember. I have to check the spreadsheet.
Okay. Raw though, right?
What
Yeah.
I did is, he usually just sources the cards themselves, but I picked them up for CGC 10s because I wanted.
Oh, the hollows.
Yeah.
Got it.
So I
Okay.
had to source it, send it over to him. He's like,
Got it. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, 120 is fine on the Marshadow tag team. So 1640. You take PayPal, friends and family.
Zelle and Venmo.
You have Cash App?
Zelle,
Okay, let me see.
Venmo.
What's your best would be on those cards?
90 on it.
What if I took that too?
I can't. That one I'm firm 2,000 on.
Firm 2K? Okay. Comps are like 18, 19.
That's what
2K firm?
I need to keep that.
Okay. So
I do like best 1475.
14. Can you do 14 flat? 1475.
The first time it went up all the way to like 50, 60. Dropped
How about?
20 and now they're
Because
back.
everything is, it's so volatile, it's going up in price.
Yeah.
everything.
There's a little correction like the last few days, but you want to flip 14 or 15?
I'd have to be firm at 1475. That's the best I can do.
1475. All right, let's do it. Picking up the Marshadow Japanese and Machamp, Lugia, Venusaur, and Dragonite. Love this card. How you doing, man?
Good, man. Nice to meet you.
Wait, are you the guy that has those like shorts going from like something to 100,000?
10K to 100K?
That was awesome videos.
That's awesome, bro. Yeah, pleasure to meet you.
Because I saw the videos, I was like, wait, that Starbucks looks like familiar. It's in Irvine,
Oh,
right?
yeah, you live in Irvine?
Well, my office is like a mile and a half from here.
Okay, bet.
What's your name?
Derek.
Derek?
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice.
What's your actual name?
Arvin.
Arvin. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. All right, you trying to print on me right now?
Let's do it. For the content.
Let's do it. What do I want? I'm interested in the Surging Pika. Can't believe this finally went up.
I know, about time.
Yeah. Greninja. What percent do you want to be at?
Let's just, I know you probably want to flip.
110%? I'm kidding.
110%.
Yeah. I'm kidding. But
You know,
if you're fair with me, I'll be fair with you.
yeah. I mean, I think if you're cool with our sticker, we want to be like 92.
I can be close to 90 if you want to do that. And then we can flip up or down on there.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I take the slabs out? Surging Pika. Probably hold off on the Pika for now, but I like the Zard. You have two Tinos? Yep. I'll take both. Why not? I will take. I feel like a kid in a candy shop every time. Hidden Fates is going up. I can't believe this is 450 now, dude.
I know.
This was literally like 250 like 2 weeks ago.
Finally, Hidden Fates.
This is actually 200 now?
All the Hidden Fates we checked last night.
Okay. Then in that case, boom, 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 and boom. And let's go boom, and Let me check comps real quick, but this is all you have for graded?
First left, yeah. You don't like dark red?
Because I'm thinking what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, can you take PayPal FNF? Because like Zelle's gonna be an issue for me.
Yeah.
All right, does that work for you? Okay.
Always taking all of them.
If that's okay with you, sir. All right,
I have to
so
be honest, I forgot the comps.
I'll tell you right now. I remember all of them.
310.
Let's just add it on the calculator right now.
Right.
So 310 on the Rainbow Zard, 1100 on the Surging Pika. We said 500 each on the Gold Giratina from Crown, so plus 1K. This I said 200's fine, or yeah, I think. 200 on the Sylveon. Greninja, I said 800, right?
I swear you say 25 was fine.
Oh, okay, my bad, okay. You got me there. 825, I almost scammed them. All right, 400 on Umbreon, plus 850 on Zard. So far, we're at 4685. Did we add this already, right?
Yes.
Yes, we already added that. That's part of it. This 180 on the Rayquaza. Okay, now these. All right, so far we're at 4865. Let me just do quick numbers. If I said this was roughly 300, 400, 500, and 600. 750? Mark it.
So this was 3.
Three.
This was 2.
Yeah, so 500, 600, and I said just 750. Cool, market 750. So market's like 5,600. 90% would be 50-50. I'll flip you 5,000 or 5,100. And we can use my coin if you want, that I've never used before in a video. 5,600. Or we don't have to flip if you don't want. I'll just pay you straight that number.
What about 51, 52?
Oh shoot, my bad.
No, I can't. Yeah.
5615 is the total.
Yes.
Because all I cared about was 92. Yeah, 5150.
We would do 51, 50.
Unless you wanted to do 51 flat, or you wanted to flip with 51 being the middle. Whatever degree. $100 flip, $50 flip.
Okay, 5,000. Let's do this. 5,000 or 5,150. I came up. Basically, my middle number is like 50.75 now. It's like 91% almost. Middle point.
5,000, 50, 51. There you go.
Trying to cook me. That's what he wants.
Hey, we're good guys.
I never said you're not. What you got there? Oh, I was gonna offer you to use this if you want. You don't have to. You want to do it?
Yeah.
All right. 5,000.
5,050, 5150.
All right, let's do it. You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
Nah, you can toss it.
You want me to throw it?
This is tails? Heads?
Yeah, it's heads and that's tails. You call it? You guys call it?
He'll call it.
I'll throw it on the ground. Is that okay? All right, so we're using the coded pulse coin that we never used before in a video, but let's see how this goes. Am I gonna get cooked on my own flip?
I'll call there.
5,050 or 5,150? Ready?
Ready?
Tails. What is it?
Got it, boss.
You got it.
I was debating on doing 5,000 or 5,200, but I was like, I don't want to cook him too hard. Wow,
Since we lost, can we keep the coin?
you have to beat me, bro. And I have no coin right now. To be honest, this is my only coin.
Trade your coins.
I was actually thinking about making the deal that you have to beat me in a flip to get. Yeah,
That is funny.
I got it made. It's like literally metal.
That's funny.
Check them out, Trader John's. They post really cool short form content. I'm down to do a deal if you're down to do a deal.
What percent?
I would do 70% of market. I'm kidding. 90. Fair. If we agree on market, I'm down with that. I just like. I'll tell you what I just bought some of these cards at value-wise. If you want to, I can show you comps if you want again. Lugia I valued at like 670. Dragonite 520.
520 is fine for this. I couldn't go down to 670 though.
If you want, I can show you the comps. There's like a 630 and like a 6. It's going. Some things are going down. Yeah, but I'm interested in that. Rayquaza, Umbreon, Dragonite, this Pikachu, the Celebi, Bubble Mew.
So this.
Yep, basically Dragonite, the Pika, the Celebi, the Bubble Mew, Sylveon VMAX, both Gardevoirs. Oh, the Eevee's going up, the Japanese Eevee.
Both of them are going.
It was like $40, I remember. The Japanese Eevee and the Garchomp Giratina Gold in the corner. And that Celebi, the XY Celebi as well. Give me the Erica too, 151 Japanese, please. Okay, do you use alt or what do you normally price?
I
alt?
usually price with all.
Oh, okay. You want to do this together so
Yeah.
we do it faster? Celebi, are you cool with like 140?
It's fine.
That's fine? Okay. We'll say 140 on that. What is Ray?
I think it's 1150.
Okay.
My service is shit.
11 market on Ray, 140 on Celebi.
Yep.
So Ray VMAX. The Celebi is pretty cool. XY Celebi, you don't see that often. Erica, this card is so wonky with the comps.
Yeah.
From like 100 to 250 one sale and then 150 average.
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
why I put
150 is fair on the Erica SIR. Realistically, I'd value it at 6.
6.
I think that 6 is fair. Last sold's 590.
I'll do 6.
6. Can you do 100 on this market? Okay. 6 on this. The Umbreon V 600 market. You can check that. I think 670 is pretty fair, but double check it. EV Japanese. It's like,
Oh yeah, it did drop.
yeah.
I'll probably hold on to this.
You can if you want. Up to you. I have a few. Oh, no worries. This, it's last 3 sales are 62, 67, and 66.
Oh really?
Yeah. There was a 199 sale, and then 85, 80, and then right before that 68, 57,
Yeah.
and then 100. Want to say 70 or
75?
sure?
Alright.
You work with me, I'll work with you. I remember when that was like $70.
Yeah.
The
no, it
Gardevoir.
used to be super cheap.
English Gardevoir for Paldean and Fates. I like this card. Pretty.
It's great. Went up like crazy too.
Ranges from like comps are like 250 to 300.
Yeah, do you want to do like...
Can you do like 280?
Yeah, I was about to say
That would,
280
yeah, I
too.
think that's fair. 280 on the Gardevoir,
Yeah, there's a couple comps at 120.
and then it gets wonky at like 70 and 80.
Yeah.
100?
Do like 110. Because the most ones are 120.
Sure. Can you do 160 on this? Last sale is 161 and 156. Okay. The Sylveon, we said 160. This at 110. I feel like Japanese is undervalued right now. This is like $110. Meanwhile, this is like 280. Japanese texture is superior, but people just like English sometimes more. I said 520.
520 is fine.
Fine? Okay. And we said 160 on this. 520 on the Dragonite. And then that you said you want to keep.
Yeah.
And then I think it's probably like 280 or something like that, but I'll check this one. I'm glad this went up finally. It was like 160 for the longest time.
Yeah, and then it's like plateaued at like 200 for a little bit.
Last sold 260, 260, 290, 285, 240, 270, 260.
270.
Sure. Yokohama Pikachu, 270. I have like 70 of these. I love this card.
No, that card's so good.
Japanese Bubble Mew. I think it's like 280, but what are comps you seeing? Like 260, 270?
Yeah. There's a 300, there's a 315. There's another
It ranges from 220 to 3.
Yeah.
I'd give you like 270, is that fair?
270.
All right, cool. 270 on the Celebi from Fusion Strike. Bubble Mew, 260, 319, 288, 280, 290.
Yeah, I'd probably have to stick at 3.
Stick,
Yeah. 'Cause, I mean, I already sold 2, so.
290. Work with me a little. I'm taking all of this.
I'll do 200.
All right, cool. Thank you. All right, let's add these up. Total is 4,075 market. And you can keep the 2 guards if you want.
You can keep them out, okay.
They're not graded guards. You can keep them.
Alright.
They're gonna probably go in my trash can, to be honest. 90% is 37 or 3660. Flip 3637. Cool. What was your name again?
I'm Quan.
Quan. Wait, do you buy Milky Bags?
I do, yeah.
Are you Ding Dong?
Yeah.
I was gonna say Quan. Sounds familiar.
There's
All right.
another Quan walking around.
All right.
I call.
You call? You want me to throw it on the ground or on the table? I don't want to like. All right, I'll do it on the ground. All right, ready? 3,600, 3,700 with Quan on this lot. Good luck.
Thank you.
I'm calling the air.
Tails. Where to go?
It's heads. Goated,
you.
Bulls, 3,600.